Hi, this is Bhanu Sattiraju. Thanks for the opportunity to talk to you and share my experiences on the career building. It is important each one of us build our career in a structured fashion. I will introduce 3 simple steps to build the career. First one, always play on your strengths. Second one, identify your passionate areas. Third one, plan and build the career in a structured fashion. Let us dwell on each of the points. Let us reflect on what are our strengths. Are you good at programming? Are you good at problem solving? Are you good at what? Basing on which we can decide the strength areas to go forward. Let us move on. Let us identify what are your passionate areas. In other words, what kicks you in, what excites you, and what motivates you. What are you passionate about? Passion is nothing but what excites you and what interests you. Let us see a few examples. Are you passionate about software and technology? Are you passionate about teaching? Are you passionate about building relationships? Or are you passionate about digital marketing? We can go on and on. Variety of passionate areas. Before you start the planning, I would like to point you to the 3 major skill sets which are required. One is the soft skills. Second one is the industry domain skills. Third is the technology skills. Let us see which one is easier of the 3. Obviously, technology skills is easier to build very quickly. When it comes to domain skills and also the soft skills, they take longer time. Hence, I would suggest all 3 skills are very important. Opportunities seldom knock the door. Grab the first opportunity and start working. Identify mentors who can give us the direction. In this 4 to 5 years of experience, initially what you are going to put it, you will be learning a lot of things. As an example, we have to see how we can work in collaboratively with the team, how to interact with the customer, what is the corporate culture, how the customers talk about, what are the quality procedures which we have to follow, how the delivery happens, how the communication happens, etc., etc., etc. What are the options we have? There are many streams which are possible. Basing on the key strengths, what you have, passionate areas, what you have identified, there are so many areas to choose. We have many careers in front of us. First one is a delivery career, which is to manage more of people, customer, and business. Second one is a technology career, where it is more of technical solutioning and architecture. Third one is a consulting career, where it is more of business consulting and process consulting. Fourth one is a training career, technology training and experiential sharing. Fifth one is a pre-sales career, where we have to build proposals supporting both sales and delivery teams, both proactive and reactive, also attend the proposal defenses to support. The sixth one and the last one is the sales career, connecting to the customer, building the relationships, understanding the customer priorities, mapping our capabilities onto the customer priorities. In other words, doing a farming of the existing customers. In conclusion, what I'm saying is always play on your strengths, identify your passionate areas, plan and build your career successfully. All the best.